everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Lime Away cleaner. This is 22 fluid ounces. It does last for quite a while. I bought this because I do have a standalone shower that is glass doors, and the water stains and all the buildup just drives me absolutely crazy. This helps so much. It'll also take away any lime scale, rust, calcium deposits, things like that. Super easy to use. You don't have to really scrub. I just spray it on, let it sit for a little bit. Use like a damp rag or a sponge, wipe away the buildup, and then rinse it with water, and it's good to go. Before I bought this, I was scrubbing hands and knees with like a scrub brush, trying to get in all the little cracks and crevices. This has helped so much. It takes all the hard work out of it. It just makes it so much more simple. This is safe for tile, glass, your grout, fixtures like your sink or your tub, anything like that. Porcelain, you could use it in a toilet, a bathroom sink, really anywhere that you have kind of buildup from hard water or soap scum or lime, calcium, or rust. This is going to work great. So if you are looking for something like this to make your cleaning life a little bit easier, I would highly recommend you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.